Hi dear friend, now I'm going to show to you how to check the explosion-proof zipper quality is good or not for the luggage corner side. This position is good or not, okay? Now let's check it. Now our colleague is going to show to you. Like new girl. She will make a corner out. It's difficult to make this corner because this is a explosion-proof zipper. It means two side with the zipper. See this side and change another side. Okay, you can see this side. Also, just now my colleague made this corner out already. So she will return back the slider, and we can see it's a good or not. Okay, now after she returned back, here is without any building mark or without any broken mark. It's very good lining. Line again, like GBM. See, it lines very smooth. So it means this is the good quality zipper. For the number 8 and number 5, it's the same. If you're interested, you can see our another video, okay?